Hi, I'm Carrie Quigley, founder of the Fashion Class. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite projects, perfect for Valentine's Day, a heart-shaped pillow with a pocket inside for a secret Valentine's Day message. This project is very, very easy, perfect to do with your kids, perfect to do if you are a beginner or intermediate sewer. This can be sewed on the machine or by hand. So be sure that you download our free pattern in the description below, use the link, and you will also need 1 fat quarter of fabric. I recommend 100% cotton. A fat quarter is 18 inches by 22 inches. You can buy them at your local craft store, pre-cut, pre-packaged, or you can just buy a yard of fabric and cut it yourself. But 1 fat quarter will make this entire project. You might also want a contrasting fabric for that cute little pocket. And then you're gonna need some polyfill, so some pillow stuffing. Not too much, 1 bag should do it. And yeah, let's get started. So first, we're going to lay out our pattern. So you're gonna cut 2 of these and 1 of these. So just go ahead and lay your pattern on your fabric, however you see fit. I use pattern weights before I cut, but you can pin the pattern onto the fabric. You could use anything that's heavy just to hold it in place as you cut around these delicate curves. Once you have all 3 of your pieces cut, we're going to put the hearts to the side and we're going to start with our pocket. So turning it so that we're looking at the wrong side of the fabric, the back side. We're going to fold over just a little bit, about 1/2 inch, and we're going to pin that down. And after we pin this down, we're going to simply sew a straight line to hem the top of the pocket. Beautiful. So once that's finished, you can put your pocket to the side for a moment. We're going to take 1 of your heart pieces, lay it face up. So that means the colorful printed side of the fabric is facing you. We're going to take the pocket piece and also lay it face up on top of your heart so that it looks just like this. We're going to take your other heart piece and place it face down, so the colorful side down on top of the pocket and the other heart. So you're looking at your pieces inside out. Whenever we sew, we're always sewing things inside out. And what you're gonna do is pin and sew around the entire heart, leaving a small opening for stuffing. Once you're done with that, you can see I left about a 3-inch opening in the side of my pillow. Before we flip it, you might need to cut small little notches around the curve of your heart so that when you flip it, you keep the nice curve shape. So notches are just these tiny little cuts. They don't cut into the seam, and you just want to do a few around the heart, curve, and the center point. And now we can flip the pillow. So just push it all the way through, make sure to get the full shape through. Wonderful. So it might look a little different than a heart. As you add the stuffing, this will begin to fill out and will look a bit more like the heart shape. So take your stuffing, you want to fluff it up and start to push it inside the pillow. Make sure you get it all the way to the other edge and fill up the entire heart. Now, you want this to get the heart shape. You don't want to overstuff because then it's going to be very hard to close the hole. So we want it to be plush, but not completely hard and stiff. Once you've filled it as much as you'd like, you're going to take the opening, fold the edges in, and we're going to pin that closed. And now you can go sew this part closed. Once you've sewn your pillow closed, you are all finished. And I hope you had a great time sewing this Valentine's Day project with me. I'm Carrie Quigley of the Fashion Class, and I'll sew with you next time.